I'm
Are you
guessing,
recording it?
I'm guessing there is a delay in the video, I think. The audio is going faster than the video, right?
I'm getting you. Hello?
Sorry, say again.
I'm getting you clearly. I'm getting all what you're saying.
Okay, right. All right. So, what we're going to do is we're going to do some data cleaning, right? So, whenever we have some names like this, right? Sometimes uh, these these could be clumsy, right? So
Mhm.
sometimes we need uppercase, right? If I need an uppercase, I can turn them into uppercase using a formula, right? Equals to, you say upper, right? This converts this
Mhm.
text string into uppercase letters, and I'm gonna select this and I press OK. Have you seen what I did?
Okay.
Now these are uppercase.
Okay.
Is it visible in the video, or is there any delay in the video?
No, there is no delay in the
Okay,
video.
okay. So you can see, right? So this is for the uppercase, and if I want to do similar thing for the lowercase, and I say equals to lower, right? And I'm gonna select the text, right? It becomes lower, right?
When you select,
Yeah,
what I want to know, when you select, yes. So
yeah, go on.
what you want to do,
I'm not able to hear you properly. What is it?
is automated with the formula.
Say again.
The bracket close, are you going to put it manually or it is automated with the formula?
The formula. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. So if I'm gonna press equals to here, equal to, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I say upper,
Mm-hmm.
upper. When I say upper,
Mm-hmm.
it gives me only one thing called text, right? It's asking me what
Yes.
is the text, right? I'm gonna select the text, right? Right here, I'm
Mm-hmm.
gonna select the text, and I close the bracket
Mm-hmm.
and press enter.
Okay, you close the bracket manually, right?
Yeah.
So you just
Sometimes we close,
press close.
sometimes we don't. It doesn't matter sometimes. Even if you don't close, sometimes it happens.
Okay.
Yeah. If sometimes there are too many brackets, then Excel asks you, do you want to close the bracket? Then you say yes. If there is only one
Okay.
bracket, usually it doesn't ask. Even I did not put a bracket here, and I press enter, it happens automatically. I don't have to press a bracket,
Okay.
right?
All
And
right.
I double click in the edge, right? And
Yes.
here is the data. And similarly, we can go for lower as well. Equals to lower tab, and I select the data. I want this uppercase to be converted into lowercase, right? And I
Mm-hmm.
press enter, right?
Okay.
This is how it's done. And for the proper case, can you guess any idea?
Proper case.
Yeah,
What do they mean by proper case? Is it
proper case is exactly like this. The first letter is capital and the rest is small. The first letter is capital and the
maybe
rest is
you say yeah, you say equals to proper case?
yes. If I want, sometimes the data is like this, right? I'm gonna hide these two.
Mm-hmm.
If I hide these two things, right? What do you see? The thing that you have here, it is in small letters, right? Lowercase in the C column.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to turn this into proper case, like first letter capital and the rest is small, then you
Mm-hmm.
press equals to proper, select the data, press enter. You have the first letter
I'm not
capital.
the video has stopped.
Say again.
No, it's what the video has stopped. I'm not seeing anything you are displaying.
Okay.
Let me log off and join again.
Is it visible now? ఇప్పుడు సరిగ్గా రావట్లేదు. ఆన్ చేసి పెట్టి అవ్వట్లేదు ఇది. All okay? Is everything okay? I'm not able to hear you. I think you're in mute. Shall we proceed? Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Let's proceed.
Okay.
If I get this thing right, I will just change.
Okay. All right. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. Right. So what I was trying to tell you is this. This is a proper case, right? When you want to turn the
Yes.
data, like for example, in the lower case, something like this, you want to turn it into, convert into proper case equals to proper, and you select the data, right, and press enter, right? This is how it works.
The proper case. Can you repeat it again, please?
Okay. So equals to proper, P-R-O-P-E-R, proper, right? And for the text, we need to select the lowercase, and I press enter. So here this is lowercase, here this is proper case. The first letter is, the first letter is capital and the rest is small. First letter is capital and rest is small, right?
Okay.
This is the difference, right?
All right.
And when so here we need to extract first name and the last name.
Okay.
Sometimes when someone sends you a list of invoice data or something, there you need to do something like this. You have to segregate first name and last name and add initials. These kind of things happen in basically accounting and finance. So for that, we're going to use a formula called left, right? it counts from the left. For example, equals to, I say left, right? And I press tab. This is asking me what is the text. I'm telling it the text is this, right? And comma, number chart, how many digits you want. Example, TAMMY, Tammy is 5, right? I can press 5 here, right? It gives me Tammy, right?
Okay.
But if I drag it, it's going to be difficult to do this, because not every name will have. See here, William only got me Willie, right? Yeah, Michael, I got only half name right. So what we are going to do is, we're not going to use a number equals to left,
Okay.
but I'm going to select the text. But in the number chart, instead of number, I'm going to say search. What are you searching for? I'm searching for a space. You will find a space between this name, Tammy Adams. You will find a space between this name, right? By that space, you divide the name within the text, this, right? And I close the brackets. I press enter, right? It gives me name only till the space, right? Only till the first space.
Yeah.
Similarly, we can use equals to right. Even from the right, I select the text, comma. If I say 5, it gives me only Adams. But if I drag it, it's going to mess it up. Here, instead of Thomas, it gives me Homus.
Yeah.
What exactly we need to do is, we need to do search here. Search for a space. I'm going to search for a space. For the space, you represent this inverted commas, space, inverted comma, quote open, space, quote open. This is what we call as space in Excel.
All
Within
right.
the text, this, right? So I'm gonna press OK, and I double click. I have this. Oh, there is some mistake. I'm gonna do it again, right? Equals to right. I'm gonna select the text as this, comma, and I say search. Find the text, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, right? Comma, within the text, this, right? And I close the bracket, close the bracket. This is how it works, right? There is some error I'm getting. Don't understand what's the error. Okay, the error is I have to select this data, not that. So let's do it again, right? Let's do it again, okay? Equals to right. This is the text, okay? And comma, and in the number chart, I'm gonna say search for a space, and I say within the text this, right? And I close the bracket. There is some error. I think this one would help. It's not helping. Let's say, okay, I'm gonna say start number. I think it should work. I'm not sure why it's not working. I've done it multiple times. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, okay, okay. So we're dealing with this. I think start with yes. I'm gonna start it -1. Yeah, it should work now. Can you see there is something here? Yeah, this is right, but this is not right. Why? This is right. A few things, these are not right. Okay, we'll come back to it later. Okay, if that's okay with you.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll come back to it later and we'll sort it out, right? Okay, can you see this one?
All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, can you see this one? Right? Here, what we do is there is something called concatenate. Right? This is basically joining the strings. For example, this is an address, but this is broken address, right? This is divided in 4 different columns, right? So basically, what we can do is we can do this equals to this one and joint this, the second one, and I joined again the third one, and I joined again the fourth one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is not complete. We have to do one more step here. If I do this, it gives me something like this, but this is not like there is no space in coves and lake, right? There is no space between town WY and the zip code, right?
Yeah.
I think I'm hearing some resound. Okay, that's fine. So what we have to do is we have to add a space manually here. I'm gonna
Okay.
yeah, I'm gonna do this. This is called space, and I put joint again. I'm gonna do the same thing here. This is a joint, this is a space, and this is a joint. And here, what I'm going to do is same thing here. After, I'm gonna put a joint, right? This is a space, space after joint, space after joint. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works, right? So here there is a space between lake, downtown, and in the WI and zip code. So basically what we did is we jointed this and space. to join this and space. So we are going to use and as a concatenate to join two things. Either it is space or some data. To join these two, we are going to add this concatenate, right? The joint thing. Is it understood?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Shall we move on?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So here we have something similar, right? I'm going to increase the. Is it visible now?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay. So these are telephone numbers, right? But we're going to divide them into three different codes: area code, prefix, line number, right? Something like this. So we're going to start from the first. Okay. So similarly, we're going to use the same left function here, equals to left, right? Here I'm gonna say in this text, give me 3. Okay, it's gonna give me 3, right? I think have you joined again?
Yeah, in my
Okay, right. So this is like this, right? And the second one, we're going to use something called mid. Okay, are you able to hear me? Can you hear me?
hear
Can
me.
you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. You can hear me now, right?
Yes, I can hear
Okay.
you.
Okay. I just lost you. Okay. So have you understood the first one?
Yes.
Okay. This is using a left
No,
formula.
this
Left.
one, the area code, I didn't get you because I lost the
Okay.
network.
Okay. I'll repeat again. Okay.
All right.
So the first one, how you get it is we need here the first 3 numbers and here the second 3 numbers, here and the last 4 numbers. So we can do something like this, equals to uh, you can hear me, right? You can hear me, right?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna say equals to left and I'm gonna select the text here, right? And comma 3, because we know we need only 3 numbers. So I say enter,
Okay.
right? And here I need middle numbers, right? So I'm gonna say mid. Mid is also a function which gives us, which finds the data from the middle, right? So I'm gonna select the text as this. What do you start with? The start number, I'm gonna search for a search for something like this. Can you see the symbol between 530 and some hyphen is there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna select that, and within the text this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna say +1, right? Comma.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna say number charts as 3. I need 3 numbers. How many numbers you want?
Mm-hmm.
I need 3 numbers. So I'm gonna say okay, right? I have this here.
All right.
So for the last one, we're going to do write, and I'm gonna select the text, and I give the thing as 4. I need only 4 numbers, right? I'm gonna have 4
Mm-hmm.
numbers, last 4 numbers. So this is basic, this is okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay?
Yes, it's
Yeah,
okay.
can we move on?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So here I'm getting a call. Yeah, if that's okay.
All right.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's okay.
yeah, okay.
I'll wait.
Yeah, okay, bear with me 1 second. Okay. Hello. నాన్న చెప్పినాను. ఆహా, ఆ, ఆహా, తెలీదు నాన్న. లేదు ఇంకేం తెలియదు. ఇక్కడ మేము టీవీ చూడము లేదు, ఏడు తెలియదు నాన్న. ఈ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఇవి చూస్తే టైం వేస్ట్ అని అవి సరిగ్గా చూడము. మరి టీవీ లేదు. అవును, అదే ఇంటి దగ్గర ఉన్నాను. బాగానే ఉన్నాము. అంత ఆరోగ్యం ఎలాగుందానా? అవును, చెప్పింది అమ్మ. ఉమ్, ఆ, ఉహు, ఉమ్, ఉమ్, ఆహా, ఆహా, ఆహా. ఓకే, ఓకే. మరేంటి నాన్న? ఉమ్, 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 ఓకే. అదే చెప్తున్నాడు పవన్. అదే మార్కెట్ లేదు, ప్రొడక్షన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అని చెప్తున్నాడు పవన్. అవును, అదే అదే. అవును. మరేంటి నాన్న? సరే నాన్న. Can you hear me, brother?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Let's continue. So here we have email IDs, right? List of email IDs. So I want only email ID, the username of the email ID, not @Yahoo or @google.com. I want to eliminate that. So even here I'm going to use the same the left formula, right? The left function, right? I'm going to say left. It's asking me the text, right? So I'm going to select the text, comma. In the number chart I'm going to search for a text called @, right? And within the text this, the same text, But what I want to do is, if I put this, it gives me including at the rate, right? I want to eliminate the at the rate as well, right? Can you see this?
All right. Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. So I'm gonna press -1 here. It gives me something like this, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Is it okay? Understandable?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. Do you want me to repeat, or can we move forward?
Uh, so this is basically when you want a user's name.
Say again.
This is when only when you want a user's name.
Not only user's name, sometimes you have a lot of data to deal with, right? When you want to segregate, there is something at the rate or whatever the symbol it is, right? You want to
Mhm.
segregate this. Sometimes you copy the data from the internet and it is clumsy, right? You want to
All right.
separate it. You want to separate the whole line with something like this. Then you
Okay.
can
So
use these kind of formulas. Yeah, go on. Can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you. I
Okay.
think you lost a network.
Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, whenever sometimes you copy data from the internet, right? You have
Mhm.
so many symbols in the data. And when you want to segregate the data based on some kind of symbol or something like that, you can use these kind of functions,
Mhm.
right?
All right.
Even when you want to replace something in the data, right? For
Okay.
example, something like this. If you want to
Can you
replace something,
remove this from your screen?
say again, can you?
I'm okay. You have removed it. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yes. Yes. It's
Okay.
okay.
So sometimes if you want to convert this into this, right? Because
Mhm.
every company has their own policies and their own protocols, how you store the data, how the way they do it. Sometimes some people, uh, when you work in some companies, right, they save files as,
Mhm.
let's say it is mutual funds, right? In the mutual funds they will
Yes.
save
Mhm.
some hot tip, something like this, and in that they will do again this, in that they will do again this kind of policies would be there, right?
All right.
So these kind of symbols come in handy, and you want to convert them, you can use a called substitute, right?
All right. Mhm.
So here I want to convert this. I put that in inverted commas. This is the text, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Right. And I would do old text and the new text. This is the text. I'm gonna say the old text is this, and I want the new text as something like this. Can you make sense of it?
Yes.
I get this. I converted this horizontal symbol to vertical one, right? Like a divided by or hash or something, right? Hyphen or something, right? You can convert this into this. Is it understandable?
All right.
Does it help?
Yes, yes, it's understandable.
Okay, fine. So let's do some dates. So we're getting into some finance now. So whenever you use dates in finance, right? So you have you done any certification like CFA, ACCA or something?
Yes.
Okay, you studying or you pursued already? You finished?
Studying.
Okay. May I know what it is?
ACCA.
ACCA. Oh, nice. Okay. So whenever you do some kind of dates, if you want to find out today's date, right? You can say equals to today, right? And you close the bracket and press enter. Here is your today's date.
How do you close that bracket? Is it manually or is system generated?
Here I did manually.
Okay, the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, the first one comes with the formula.
So I'll do it again. Equals to today, right? The first one comes with the formula, right?
Okay.
And I didn't even try this time. You don't have to put any bracket.
Okay, in a situation where you need to put the bracket, which key do you need to press to give you the second bracket?
Okay, second bracket, no need, not necessary for the second bracket. If at all you want to put the second bracket, then you can put shift plus 0.
Okay.
Yeah.
With the second bracket, you can press shift plus 0.
Yeah, shift plus 0. 0 in the top, not in the right side. There are numbers, right? Not that one. In the top, you have a function keys. Right below those function keys, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
Yes.
Yeah, those keys.
So you press shift plus 0.
Yeah, shift plus 0.
All
you
right.
can try it if you want.
All right.
Yeah. So
because sometimes I work some formula.
Yeah.
For me to arrive at that second formula, it's always difficult.
Okay.
But anyways, I've known now is shift plus 0.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So if you want time and date, right? Sometimes you want time and date for some reason, right? Then you say now, right? You have time plus date.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to find out the current month, present month, equal to, you want to find month, right? You're going to type month, open bracket, select the date where you want, for which you want to find out the month, right? Right, current month, and close the bracket. This is third month.
Okay.
Yeah. Similarly, you can find out year as well. Year of this
month
2026. Yeah. You can find out a day as well, right? Day of this 29, right? So in accounting and finance, we regularly use end of month. Because the statements are made every end of month and finalizations are made end of month, right? So we're going to use a formula called EO month, end of month. right?
Mhm.
For the end of month,
Yeah.
the start date is this, right?
Yeah.
From today, I want to find out the end of this month, and I'm gonna say 0 because I want this month's, not next month's.
All right.
If I want next month's end of the date, I would say EO month. The start date would be this one, and I would say 1 here.
Mm.
And I
Okay.
get next month's date, end of the date, end of the month,
All right.
right?
Yes.
Is it understandable?
Yes.
Okay, right. So these are basically some dates,
That you convert.
right?
Yeah. I
Yeah,
said these are the dates that you convert.
yeah. So basically, what you can do is, so here you can select the data and you can go to this number format. Here in the date function, you have many formats, right?
Yeah.
You can select whichever format you want, and it's going to reflect the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you want to select this one or this one, 14 marks, you can see the sample here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it converts into that. It's something like this, right? Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay.
So basically, if you want to do like proper finance standard formats, you can press
Mm-hmm.
Control Shift 3. And it gives us this kind of format. This is the standard format in finance. Control Shift
Yeah.
3. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So here we have something like this, right? Can you see the screen, or should I increase the?
No, I can see the screen.
Okay, right. Okay, I think here we have forgot to do one more thing. Yeah, here I have one more thing. Right. If you want to find out the end of the year, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what you would do is equals to date. In the
Oh,
date,
yeah.
yeah, equals to date,
Yeah.
right? In the date, the year would be year of this, right? Year of this.
Mm-hmm.
What if
Mm-hmm.
year of this? What if the year, this date, the previous date is greater than March 31st? Let's do simple one first. Shall we proceed?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So what I'm going to do here is, let's say I have
Can you share the screen, please?
okay. So can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So equals to date. We were doing
Date.
dates, right? In the date,
Mm-hmm.
if I want to
31st
find out the
March.
end of the year, right? Basically, this is
Mm-hmm.
the end of the
Yeah.
year. 31st March 2026 is the end of the year, right? So let's find out the end of the year. We should get the same formula, same number, right? So I'm gonna say in the year, I would say year of this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Comma, month would be 3 and the date would be 31st, right? And I'm gonna say this is what I get. But what if I change it to 4th April 2026? What if I change it to 4th of April, something like that? I want the end of the year here, right? So I would do, what I would do is, I would say plus if this is greater than 3,
Adam, 3.
right? If, sorry, if I'm gonna delete them, month of this is greater than 3, then give me 1, otherwise give me 0.
0.
Have you understood what I did?
Yes.
If this is in the March, right? If this is in the March, then give me only 0. If this is greater than 1, this comes in the financial year of 2027, March 31st, right? Not 2026.
Mm-hmm.
After 31st of March, right? It comes as a next year, right? End of the year would be
Yes.
31st of March 2027, right?
Yes.
So I'm gonna say comma, the month would be 3 anyways, the date would be 31st. Let's see if it gives us the right number, right? So we have the end of the year as 31st 3 2027, right?
Yes.
If I change this to 3 Jan 2021, right? I got 31st March 2021. This is the end of the year, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is how the formula works.
All right.
Yeah, is it understandable?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing here as well, right? Let's say we have 30th September 20 and we need end of the year, right? We would say equals to date, right? Year.
Yeah.
First, in the year section, we're going to select year of this, and we would say plus if the month of this date is greater than 3.
Your screen is not moving.
Sorry,
The screen is not moving.
screen is not visible.
It's not moving. Like I'm not seeing the formula moving.
Okay. Can you see here in the section right here?
No.
Is it not visible?
No.
Okay, okay. Bear with me 1 second.
Can you revert back and share?
Say again. What is it?
Can you revert back and share, please? Can you revert back and share?
I'm not understanding what you're saying.
Okay. Can you stop sharing
Okay,
and
okay.
reshare with me?
Okay, okay. Okay, I stopped sharing and I'll share
Yeah,
again.
reshare back.
Is
Yeah.
it visible now? Yeah?
I'm just seeing your name. Can you share again? Have you shared it?
Okay, yeah, I've shared it. Is it not
No, I'm
visible?
not seeing your screen.
Okay.
No, I'm not seeing your screen. Okay.
Is it visible now? Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, it's very slow. I don't know.
Okay. Is it visible now?
It's visible, but it's very slow. The screen moving is very slow.
Okay. It's very slow.
So it's very slow, yes, from your side. Okay, can you continue?
Okay, okay, right.
Yeah, continue.
Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, here we are going to project, right, 5 years of next 5 years of data, right? Dates of next 5 years,
Okay.
like just like a financial model, right? So
Yes.
in the financial model, right, so we have to project next 5 years date, right? Based on
Yes.
even let's say we have got the quarterly results, right? This is a quarter end date, not year end date, right? Based on this, we're going to get year end date. Here I'm gonna write date. In the year section, I'm going to select year of this date, and I'm saying plus if month of the same date is greater than 3, then give me 1, otherwise give me 0. Is it make sense?
Yes.
Comma, the month is 3 and the date is 31st, right? So I'm gonna press OK and I copy and paste.
The thing I'm struggling to deal with, Naval,
Sorry, say again.
is your screen is not moving. Like
Is it not
I'm not
moving?
seeing any movement. It's not moving. It stopped moving. I don't know. Can you check your internet?
Internet seems fine. Let me connect to other device if it's okay. I'm gonna stop sharing and I'll share again. Is it okay now? Is it visible now?
Um, no, I can't see the Excel sheet. I cannot see the Excel sheet at the moment. Maybe
Okay.
it's going to take time.
Okay. Ah. Let
All right,
me.
because I can. My internet is okay here.
Okay.
Everything is not okay. I don't know.
Okay. But
Should I
but the
end
voice
my
is
own?
clear, right? The voice is clear.
The voice is clear. The voice is
Okay.
clear. Everything. I'm
The
hearing
voice
you
is clear.
clearly.
Only the
It's
video
just
is
the
not clear.
screen.
There
Yeah.
might be some issue because even here the internet is okay. I've tried connecting the other device as well. Even this device, the internet
Okay.
is okay.
Let me just end it and
Uh, okay. Is it okay now?
yeah, I'm getting you clearly. Can you share your screen now?
Yeah, I think I've already shared the screen. Is it visible now?
No, but I can't see the Excel sheet.
I'm stopping
Maybe
it.
just need to remove this one and go to the Excel
Screen
sheet.
window. Okay. Is it okay now? Can you see the screen now?
Let me screenshot what I'm seeing, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Then shall we do some other time then? Or
Say again.
shall we do some other time then? It looks like something is some issue is there. Not sure what exactly is the issue.
I don't know. Have you share your screen? Because I'm not seeing your screen. I'm just seeing your
Can
name.
you share your screen if you can? Let me see if I can see.
All right. Let me try to share my screen if I can.